Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial on how to rotate. This episode we're gonna rotate Quentin Tarantino, and today guys is a special episode because there's a special trick, okay? Usually in the show we rotate 90 degree, right? But there's a special trick. Do you see what I see? We can rotate 180 degree, but it's cool cause guys, it's like you rotate 90 degree but 2 times, and you click button 1 time. It's super epic, guys. So, step 1, select image. Step 2, press. I can't press. I can't. So press the 180 rotate button. We must channel our inner powers. So press the 180. Hey guys, I think my laser just exploded.